Walk in your trap and take over. Name another that's colder. I just bought a brand new Rover. I don't even drive no more, I got a chauffeur. Took off, man, they asking me to slow up. Getting wiser and my money getting older. I ain't even gon' hold it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Make sure if you read about the title, you know what this video is. It's currently, let me open it for y'all. It's currently 5:12 in the morning. I can't show y'all on my home screen because my son be fucking, but it's currently 5:12 in the morning. I need to do my lashes. I was supposed to do my lashes last night, but I was tired. So I'm gonna do it right now. So we about to do it right now, y'all. So I got these lashes from SHEIN, and I screenshot the picture of how they supposed to look. I don't think I have no spikes, to be honest, because I do want them kind of full. I haven't had full lashes in a long time, and I usually get spikes, or I usually do myself spikes. And I got me some bottom lashes, but I'm not putting them on till later and I get ready to go to the concert. But I had got these, I'm gonna show y'all these in 80 and 100D, as you can see at the top. And this is what they look like. I got the mix 80 and 100D, and then I think I'm gonna do cat eye. Like, these are different styles, and I think I'm gonna do cat eye. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do cat eye. I would kind of do brown eye, but now I don't like. I do kind of like 12 long, short, but then again, if I got some spikes, I'm probably gonna do spikes. So, because I have lashes, y'all. It's crazy. I'm thinking I'm about to get all my supplies. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So, my ingredients I need is my tweezers, my lash glue, which you could use not got to be 30-second bonding glue also, because when I use strips I put that on, and the last time I did use some individuals I put the bonding glue on and it lasted not the same amount as the dual glue, but about the same amount. Like, that makes sense. Like, it still was. Hell, I'm actually it didn't last about the same amount, but it held. We're gonna say that it held. And then the lashes, of course. So I am it got the lash glue in here, y'all. Or do it not, because it's talking about some apply the mascara one close the lash glue to your natural lashes and wait about 30 seconds. That's what it said. But even like going here, we can use my duo, because I need my lashes to stay on. I always can. No, it don't. I need my lashes to stay on. I always can. Ooh, feeling. Ooh, they so soft. They do feel like mints, y'all. I'm gonna do cat eye. I should have had Expo markers so I can write it on my mirror so I can see what I have to do. But I know it's 18, 16, and my eye's small, y'all. So 18 might be long. It's 18, 16, 14, 12, 10. So I think I'm gonna do a cat eye. This is what I'm gonna do. And those are super duper. I have to look at it this way. These 18s down here are super duper long. I have to see how 18 look, cause yeah, I'm probably doing lashes at this point. How you getting them done? I'm gonna tell y'all this way so y'all can see. But I'm gonna speed this video because it's gonna take so long. And I have to see. I have to see how long the 18 is. Okay, we're probably gonna do those. Not gonna lie. Let's put my glue on and get started. I like to watch a video while I do these because it's gonna go so much faster. So, y'all know, yeah, this video coming out so fast. I literally just took the top off. That thing just spit out. Like, it be waiting. Okay.
Become so distant, like I'm the one to blame and you're innocent. I tried to make a way, make a difference, but some things don't change. I can't complain. I try not to think about you. What can I say? I want to put more in there. Oh no, I'm gonna do the other eye and then this side because that's kind of full right now. It is, it's kind of full right now. Let's do the other eye. I'm fucking with you, don't know how to love me. I'm dealing with you, so it seems like I get so much, I don't get back to back. I really thought it was love, but just so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but now you done with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now, yeah. Flexing on my exes and my model legs. Pretty little skinny, little bitty body model legs. Some of y'all ain't never heard no real bitch and it shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the hole. Touchdown in my hometown, got nothing to lose. I am on my own now, I am in control now. I need you to go now, I can fix my own crown. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the thing. Don't dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. I'm fucking with you, don't know how to love me. I'm dealing with you, so I'm back, yeah. Bitch, back on my pussy, back on my dish, you in the studio. Back on tequila, back on the strippers, all the groupie hoes. This could get ugly, I'm petty, I want you bad out of smoke. I'm coming crazy, baby, baby, one thing that you should know. Little baby, bounce back, yeah. Act like you a stranger, yeah. Memory loss, I play it like that. Call your boys, I'm getting about that. Faded up to 42 quarters, too important. Blue dream inside the roll up, hold up. Watch me go up, leave me so stuck. I'm back and I'm better, think me. One bitch on my level, ain't no question. I'm a legend, baby. Don't ever forget it. No, you see me rolling in this rose gold, so cold. Oh no, I can't fuck with lanes like you no more.
It's so cute. cute. I know. It's cute though. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. They're so freaking cute. They're mid cat eye, 18, 16, 114. So 218, 216, 114, 112, 110. And they're so cute. I never put eyelashes in my inners because they be so hard to stick on, but I did today and they're so freaking cute. Like, it's so freaking cute. I wish I had my other clusters so I could layer them a little bit more, because I don't want to put more of them on here because I feel like it'll give too full. Like right now I like how they look because this is normally how I like my lashes to look when they fall out. Give kind of spiky, give not kind of spiky. I don't really have no mascara down here. I use this eyebrow thing though. This is eyebrow thing. Just try to brush them a little bit. Like, I feel like I should put the other ones in here to fill them in a little bit more, but right now this will do. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This video, big thumbs up, and I will see y'all in my next video. It's my birthday. It's not my birthday right now, but my birthday's in 4 days. Today's December the 19th. And my birthday in 4 days, okay? Clock it. But see y'all in my next video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and bye.